Good morning. I'm so tired. I woke up, I did a body shower, and I didn't have coffee first thing. I just like woke up, did a body shower, and now I have to do my skincare. I am going, so random, but I'm actually going to tour a gym that I was like thinking of getting a gym membership. So I'm getting ready for that, and I have to like, I'm probably gonna do my hair. I'm gonna make a latte, curl my hair, have a green juice. I pressed juice yesterday and I stored all the juice in the fridge. I usually do like a 48-hour. I will press juice and then that's the juice that I have for the 48 hours. Let's do a little bit of skincare. I'm gonna put my hair in this little headband. This brand sent this to me. It's called Skin Click and it's so cute. Holy Grail face cleanser is the IS Clinical. I love this one. It's so gentle. Some toothpaste. Let's go do, I want to do red light mask, but realistically, there is no time. I need to be like real with myself. You guys, I have a red light mask that I was kindly gifted, but have been absolutely obsessed with. This is, I'm not being paid to talk about it. I will link it. It's the Omnilux one, and I'll link the exact one, but like, literally all my little like scars, like marks from blemishes, they're completely fading away because of it. My skin just looks brighter and healthier. That with a medical grade skincare, and like you literally will look like you get facials once a week. Guys, look how cute this little set is. It's light blue and I think it looks so cute with like a little tan. I love light blue. If you know, you know. So I pressed juice and I stored it in the fridge. So this is my lemon olive oil elixir. This is celery, apple, spinach. That's pineapple back there, but we're gonna do some of this one this morning with my coffee. I love green juice, and genuinely this one tastes good and it will make your skin glow. Okay, I poured it in a tinier bottle because that bottle was so big. I was like, this is too big to carry with me to my room, but I poured it in this little one and it looks so good. Okay, I want to show you guys how to do this at-home manicure. This is like an old one. My nails always look so good. They always look like I got them done at the salon, and I get so many questions on my nails, and I just think that a short like almond manicure is the chicest thing ever. One of the most important things is taking care of your nail health. And the way to do that is oils, hand cream, and my secret thing that I'm obsessed with, this is not sponsored. This is pricey for what, like how little it is, but it will last you, I guarantee you, like 6 months to 8 months. A little goes a long way. So this is from Dior and it's a nail cream. And I think this is like a chic thing that everyone should invest in. If you were to buy every single thing that I'm showing you today, it's gonna probably equal 1 trip to the nail salon. I usually on manicure days, I actually didn't this time, but typically I will put this on my nails and cuticles and sleep in it before doing a manicure. That way I can make sure that my nails are super healthy. It's like a strengthening cream. Now the next thing, these are the nail polish remover pads I use. This is the easiest way to take your nail polish off. These are little pads, so they're individuals. You just use one pad, and one pad is all you need. And I will show you, it takes off all of your nail polish. Like all of this, you just go like that. Hopefully I'm showing you guys this in like a good way, but see, quickly you just scrub. It takes like 30 seconds to take off all your polish. I have purchased boxes and boxes and boxes of this particular one. I will link all of this, so don't worry. It's just amazing. So I just kind of like wipe away all the polish. You can see my nails are so long and healthy. This is how I do a nail file. Okay, I learned how to do all this from like watching in the salon how they did it. So like instead of looking at your nails like this and filing them, you actually want to turn your hand around, and I look at the back and make sure that I'm filing them super even. But basically I just look at the back and then I file and I shape it. That's it. And I don't use a drill or anything crazy. That's so bad for your nail health. I literally just use like a regular file. I got this one in France and I love it. I just don't know where I would find this in America. And then I also like to file the sides so that my nails, like I really go on the sides and I file them so that my nails look slimmer. It's more flattering. So I file like these sides right here, and then I file just like the top. If you need a good cuticle remover, I will link this one. It's really good. It's from Sally Hansen. I literally just put it, I don't really do this that often. This is like a once every 2-3 weeks if I really feel like I have to. I put this on my cuticles and then I just push them back a little bit and then just wash my hands. You don't want to let this sit for too long, but it's like a cuticle remover and I love it. So this is a good cuticle remover, and then I have like the tools that you use to push back your cuticles, also from Amazon. For years I've been doing these polishes where it's not a gel, you don't put it in the light, it's gel-like, so it looks gel. It's very high shine, it looks just like a gel manicure. I also hate the way that grown out nails look. So being able to do your own manicure at home once a week is such a fun self-care activity, and your nails will never look grown out. You will always have like a fresh, perfect manicure. Everyone asks my nail color. It's always one of these two. One is the Essie Sheer Fantasy Polish. This one is like the most beautiful pink. And then a very similar one is this OPI. They are both pretty much identical. Like I would say they're so similar. Then I also really like this Chanel. This is one of my go-to colors. It's in the shade Ballerina, and like it's so chic. I love it. So I alternate between these polishes, but usually I have like a light baby pink. I've been using this brand Mavala since I was very young. I trust all of their products. So their Pro Keratin nail hardener is #1 product that I use. I start with this. This is a nail hardener. I apply it to, I'm gonna show you right now. I apply it to pretty much my entire nail except for the bottom of my nail. Just like most of my nail, but not the very bottom of it, because it's more to harden and strengthen the tips. Using a keratin treatment, I recommend. I do that and then it dries down. It doesn't have like a sheen. It has this slight blue tint, but like you don't see it at all. Then I use the Mava Strong. This is a fortifying base coat. So you guys, I highly recommend some sort of strengthening base coat on top of the keratin. This way it kind of like locks the keratin in too, because you're doing it on top. But I pretty much immediately after apply this Mava Strong. If you wash your hands with just the keratin on, it will come off. You have to do something like over it to kind of seal it in. Also helps with nail strength. I feel like my polishes look better and last longer on top of this as well. So it's just amazing. So I let that kind of sit on my nails and it gives my nails a nice glossy look. I let that kind of sit and dry for about like 2 minutes. Okay, now for the polish. So once this clear coat, base coat is dry. Now I like to use, like I said, either one of these. Today we're gonna use the OPI because she is my tried and true OG favorite. This is one coat on my middle finger. It's such a pretty pink. You can also use like your nail to kind of like clean up around it, or a tool, which I will link like all the little nail tools. You can use the tool. Once you get the hang of it though, like I rarely need to clean up around my nails. I feel like I'm always getting the polish right where it's supposed to be. After lots and lots of practice, I just know how to apply it in a way where it's not really gonna be outside of the lines, but like it does happen. So I just kind of am going to coat every single nail. Okay, so this is one coat, and as you can see, it is the most stunning pink. Like even with one coat, it is perfection. Sometimes I'll do 2 with this one because it is like so pretty. You can do 2, you can do 1. It always looks very beautiful and natural and like just my absolute favorite nail color. I love the way that one sheer coat of pink looks. Like this to me is like the ultimate chic nail routine. I genuinely love when someone just has a natural soft pink nail. I'm like, yes, like that is the type of nail that I really, oh, I just smudged it, good job. That's like the type of nail that I really like. With nails, I just really like the simplicity and like the chicness of something like this. I let this kind of sit for like 2-3 minutes and then I go in with the second coat. Now I usually let this sit for, I want to say like 5 to 10 minutes, just until it's dry. Look at that color, like, yes, this is the most beautiful color. Okay, my nails are pretty dry. I'm gonna do the top coat. I just ordered some food. My favorite meal in the whole world is from Goop Kitchen, and it's a salmon bowl. And I have been ordering that pretty much every other day. I don't get bored of it. Okay, now for the top coat, guys, I'm gonna put it on. I do the brush side to side. That way we're not getting too much polish out, because you don't wanna glop on a ton, but I'm going to show you. I just did a coat on my middle finger. You can see, if it focuses, how shiny my middle fingernail is. I'm going to now just do the same to all the other ones. There's one coat of shine. Look how gel-like. That's it, you guys. Look at how, like, it looks so perfect. And every time I do this, it literally looks like I went to the salon. I get so many questions about my nails, and I did see someone commented asking for a nail tutorial, so I was like, you know what, now's the time to do it. Okay, I have recently discovered a recipe. I didn't make it. I'm actually not sure who made it. A lot of people like recreate this person's recipe on the internet. Lemon olive oil elixir, and it is amazing for your health. It has a bajillion health benefits, and I'm obsessed with it. And recently I have been making it non-stop. I will make a batch that I usually have for like a day or two. I drink about half of it fresh, and then I have the other half the next day. But this is like one of my favorite things. Okay, so I start off with a washed whole lemon. If I want to make half the recipe, I just do half of what I'm telling you, but you want to make sure your lemon is clean because you're blending it. Like, I'll show you literally with skin and everything. So another thing is, try to do organic with this because you are also consuming the peel. So I do that. Then you're gonna need water. So I'm going to do some water measurements. It's 3 cups of water. I just use this California Olive Ranch extra virgin olive oil for everyday use, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Also, you can do ginger in this. I don't, just because I juice ginger. Typically I cold press juice my ginger, and I prefer to do that. And then raw honey, and I have this from my aunt's bee farm, and I'm literally out of it, which is so sad, but some raw honey. I'm such a big fan of honey. Like, if I could have anything I wanted in the world, I would literally have a bee farm and have honey, like fresh honey that I make. Like, that sounds amazing. Also, I put way too much honey in this, I'm gonna be honest. This is such a refreshing, tasty, like, it tastes good. You're gonna genuinely like the taste of it. It's very creamy and tasty. Okay, I have a strainer and a little juice jar from Bristol Farms, and I literally am just going to, oh, great job. I'm gonna just pour this in. I have to do it off camera. It's a little hard because I need both hands, but I'm going to just go ahead and pour this in over the strainer. Kind of does take a second because my strainer is so tiny, but it's perfect. It fits this cup perfectly. Post-shower routine, I love an exfoliating pad. Packaging is so pretty. There's a little pocket. You can put your fingers in it. Today's post-shower body combo is gonna be Salt Air. You guys, this is such a good scent. It's the Santal Bloom. I will link it, but it's literally my favorite. It smells so clean and chic and expensive, and these are so affordable for what they are. I think that each one's about $20. Each one of these is about like $20 or so, but I just love them so much, and I would highly recommend if you're looking for new body care. These have been just like in my lineup. I also really like the Cyclar body oil, but I switch off. Sometimes I do Cyclar, but today I want to layer the 2 scents, and these just make, oh my gosh, like, this makes me smell good all day long, and my skin's so soft and glowy and amazing. I always do a mix every single time I get out of the shower. The key to like having the best skin of your life is mixing a body lotion or a butter with an oil. I just like it when my body is like drenched in moisturizer and looks and feels so hydrated. This has been my daily perfume. I got a small one so I could try it out because I have so much perfume that I was like, no, you can get the small one, see if you actually go through this, because this is a really large travel size. Like, this isn't even a travel size. This is like a full, what is this, like an ounce? Yeah, over an ounce. It's 1.2 fluid ounces, which is like really all you need to try a scent and see how you like it. But literally one of my favorite scents. I will link this. This to me is like the chic girl scent, and I just love this so much. This combo also smells so good, like the Santal with that perfume. It smells very chic. And if you know, you know, this is the only deodorant that I use and swear by. It's a natural deodorant, but it actually works. There's not one natural deodorant I have tried that actually works besides this Cosa Sport. Like, truly, this one is amazing, and this is just part of my everyday. I probably use this once or twice a day, and I smell like nothing. I smell so good all day. So if you want a natural clean deodorant, this one actually works amazing. I love it. But that's pretty much my post shower routine.